Welcome to the next generation of website creation, Wix Harmony. Get the power of AI and the freedom of drag and drop to turn your words into a website with purpose and a brand that's entirely yours to shape. Work alongside Arya, your personal AI agent. Ask for anything from pages to sections, and there it is. Then, flow naturally between instant generation and pixel-level control. Or just grab what you need and drop it into place. Your canvas adapts to your every action, so you never break focus. Turn prompts into unique visuals. Tweak them instantly. Expand. Push it further. And let it set your all vibe. Align your voice with the style you're going for. And craft a brand identity that's all yours. Generate advanced interactive elements to bring the world into your site and your business into the world. All on secure infrastructure, ready to scale as your business grows. A platform that's AI-driven, and you call the shots. Wix Harmony.